Hey guys, this is me Said back from Masterminds, and this is my second video related to dark web. Before going into the content, let me tell you guys that I have made a big mistake while recording this video, and I can just say totally I'm just totally freaked out whether is that a big mistake that I have really done, and due to that mistake, maybe in future I think I may be in trouble, but I'm not going to leave it as it is. So watch this video fully and comment me below whether it is a real mistake that I have done. Is that a big deal? In my first video, I just gone through dark web, and while recording the screen it was totally blacked out. Actually the reason for that is that the Firefox browser, the Tor browser that what I'm using, does not allow me to record the screen or take me screenshots. One of our bros just commented me that, and I have done some research related to that, and after that I found out. In this video I said I have made a mistake. That mistake was due to my carelessness. Why? Because is that, guys, if I can't record through the Tor browser, I thought maybe I can use different browser to record. So I was using a normal browser in incognito mode, and it was perfectly recording. When I was just going through dark websites, I just made a real huge mistake that I didn't realize at that time. It was asking me for verification. I thought it was a simple thing. Is that it's like, are you a robot? I'm not a robot, human verification thing page. But after clicking on that and proceeding to the next website, when I scrolled down, I saw that I have just made a big mistake that may cost me that may just give me a lot of troubles in the future. And I just consulted some of my friends about that. They said that you have made a big mistake, bro, that you have to be too careful while making this content. So let me tell you guys, bros, if you are trying to access the dark web, before accessing, please do take extreme precautions, and in this video I will be telling those things also. So watch this video fully. So as of my carelessness, you guys don't just do the same mistakes like that. So see the video and comment me below whether this mistake is a big deal or not. Hey guys, as I said, I will be accessing and showing you the dark web. So these are the dark web links and the deep web links that I found through the internet. And please do note, guys, this video is totally for educational purposes only. Please do not try this at home. If you want to try, anything happens, I'm not totally responsible for that. And before getting into the dark web, these are some of the security points for beginners to go. So the first and foremost step is that unplug your webcam or cover your webcam with black tape. Okay, so in this instruction it just says that I have to cover my camera with black tape. Now I didn't have any black tape, so I think this will work. I have this crocodile clip, and I have some papers so that I can able to cover my camera, and I can able to go through. In my first point, it just says that I have to download a virtual private network so that nobody can able to hack my real IP address. So in my first video, I just showed you an app. In this point it says that I have to generate a secondary verification ID, but I'm not going to log in into anything, so that I'm not going to follow that point. Okay. I think nobody can see me now through the front camera, and it says that I should turn off my JavaScripts and cookies. Maybe that's the main two core things that is totally related to dark web, and let me do that also. So here we go, guys. These are some of the deep web links, and let us just go through. And this is the deep web market, dream market. This is one of the popular dream deep web market where drugs, digital goods, defense, weapons, electronic items were sold. You can see even in the banner it has that, and the extension was in .onion. Let me open that. Okay, so what is this? The web page looks like, okay, it has lots of onion errors, which means it's been banned several times, and it requires lots of errors so that we can open. It's asking us again, so I think I need to log in. Let me just okay, guys, I have just logged in now. Whoa, is that really, guys, Untitled? And you can see the pricing is on BTC, which is Bitcoin. Is that a fake credit card? Whoa, 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 guys, you won't believe me. Double strength THC juice. Even e-juice has double strength. I don't know that. What is this hacked practical machine learning? How and where to buy the Ethereum? Whoa, guys, this is totally creepy, and it has lots of 2017 Bitcoin pack, tax return, mega cash out, 3D printing software tools, and get unlimited money on Amazon. Whoa, what is this? Oh, guys, but it has, oh, it's just $5.2. Maybe I think I can buy this for my future video. Let's just keep this in mind. Okay. 200 books. Leafy medicine. What's this? Not used in question. 50 grams? Naka. Oh my god. Guys, do you really see this? These are the contents. You guys just see the categories. It has digital goods, drugs, drug, paraphernalia, services, and others. Okay, let me go to digital goods. Oh my god, I think Whoa, whoa, what's that? Parents had penthouse payment. Oh. ATM cash out CVV. Scientific American building modular cloud Raspberry Pi. PC games how to crack CD protection. Is that real? C Flinger Pro. Adobe Photoshop Touch. Ooh, I like that. Bitcoin Bluetooth almost lifetime access. And cash out PayPal $200 in 8 minutes video tutorial. There's a lot of digital books which is totally included, and I don't know whether it will work or not, but we should be careful. Whatever the content we are buying from the dark web, we must not use that because it's illegal, right? Let me go to software and here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, are those even cigars has those things? Is that weed? Is that lemon? Guys, I think I just pretty sure forward this content. Okay. And we have some good stuff that we can buy. Whoa, is that a watch? Guys, you won't believe me. Look at this. Oh my god, it's a Rolex Cosmograph. Oh my god. Oh, Rolex Submarine. We have pretty good watches here, guys. This Facebook example. Rolex Air King. Basic God, dumping. How even people buy this thing? I don't know. Maybe let me check. So this is my profile and it's asking for a public PGP key, which I didn't create yet. So I have to log in again, I think. Okay, that's enough for this website. Let's try other website. Okay. Empire Market. What do we have here? Wall Street Market. Another deep web market which has more than 500 plus listed items, and each item are well categorized according to the category. Okay, I think I can make a video related to that. Okay, Wall Street Market. Actually guys, in Wall Street Market I can't able to access because it was requiring a PTP account which I didn't make in this video. So let me forward those content. Okay, so we just fast forward the Wall Street content, and we have other links also. So to access other links I need some of the PNP websites. So before that, let me go to this blog list of websites. So what do we have? Deep website links, top web blogs. Want to read all information about the deep web also want. Okay. And guys, let me tell, some of the websites didn't open because all the links that has been given doesn't open in the dark web. Every time an organization and governmental organization which just blocks their website so that they have to create different mirror links to access those things. Before, let me check whether I have my orbot turned on or not. Yeah, it's on. You can see that my orbot is connected to lots of websites, so even if somebody is trying to track me, it doesn't show. He will be confused whether to get into which IP. That's the main thing. Okay, now we have Cryptica. It's a Catalan language based online blogging which deliver cryptic Tor hidden services, cryptic wiki slides, presentation of the association, how strong is your password, type tutorials. Asian Pony Annie 2018 is a Japanese hentai comic. Okay, what is this? Noxan. Indie Media, the doc group that offers latest news, press release articles, research documents, journals, much more. Deep web blog that offers information about internet policies, selling various hacking type softwares and tutorials related to carding, Amazon card hacks. Ooh, knowledge for everyone. I think Bad Demons. What's that? Bad Demon is non-English darknet onion directory. Blog news and the hack layer, deep web blog that offers lots of short hacking tutorials. If you want to learn these tutorials, then you can read these short tutorials on the hack layer site. Hidden one. Okay, I think the pages doesn't open. Okay guys, that's enough for this video. Hit the like button if you like this video, and please do subscribe, share, so that I can still continue making videos. I think in fourth or fifth video I will be buying a mystery box, because at that time recording this video I was going through some of the mystery boxes which was pretty much cheap. In Indian currency it was about 2000 to 3000 rupees, Indian rupees. But to buy that I have to use Bitcoin. So one of my friends was having Bitcoin. I was asking him. So in my fifth or sixth video, I will be pretty much doing video totally related to mystery box that I will be buying from the dark web. So if you like this video, please hit like and do subscribe. This is Sai from Mastermind. Stay tuned. Bye bye.